Hello, I'm Carla, and I'll be telling you what do you need to use this course. First, you need a room with at least 5 foot for 5 foot with open space. And after that, we are going to be needing a couple of materials that for sure you have around in your house. One is a blanket. It doesn't matter if it is a small blanket, ideally would be a small blanket. Also scarf, it may be any kind of scarf, just as long as it is among this size. And a pillow or a cushion or anything soft and light that we may throw, that may jump on. And about the laptop, where do you set the laptop? Ideally, you would set the laptop in a position that you're able to look straight towards, and you would be able to listen to it also. So, because I will be talking during the class. Your clothes. If you don't have ballerina clothes, you may use any sports clothes that you may have around. And for your feet, ideally don't use sneakers. Use your socks or use anything that may be soft, so for you to be able to do the work on the point of your toes and to press down. Because if you're using sneakers or you're wearing sneakers, it's going to be way too hard to do that. And your hair, if you have long hair as I do, try to take it either in a ponytail or you may be doing a ballerina bun. That also works. Okay, and that would be about it. Enjoy, have fun, express yourself, and be free. You know, no one else is watching, so you may do as you feel freely. Okay, let it go. Okay, see you.